Biology chapter wise NEET trend analysis. The number of questions asked each year from each topic. The living world questions range from 0 to 1 over the year, showing a very low frequency. Biological classification questions vary between 0 to 4, with the 3 questions frequently asked in earlier year. Plant kingdom consistent with 2 to 4 questions per year. Animal kingdom a high frequency chapter with up to 5 questions in some years. Morphology of flowering plants commonly has 3 to 5 questions each year. Anatomy of flowering plants 2 to 5 questions every year, showing moderate importance. Structural organization in animals fluctuate between 1 to 4 questions annually. Cell the unit of life 3 to 5 questions consistently. Biomolecules 0 to 3 questions per year with irregular appearance. Cell cycle and cell division frequently has 2 to 5 questions per year. Transport in plants a low frequency chapter ranging from 0 to 3 questions annually. Mineral nutrition low weightage with 0 to 3 questions per year. Photosynthesis in higher plants moderate importance 2 to 4 questions annually. Respiration in plants low weightage with 0 to 2 questions per year. Plant growth and development frequently has 2 to 4 questions. Digestion and absorptions moderate frequently 2 to 4 questions. Breathing and exchange of gases consistently 2 to 3 questions per year. Body fluids and circulation consistently important with 2 to 3 questions every year. Excretory product and their elimination steady 1 to 2 questions annually. Locomotion and movement 1 to 3 questions each year. Neural control and coordination 1 to 3 questions annually. Chemical coordination and regulation 1 to 3 questions every year. Reproduction in organism rarely asked 0 to 1 questions per year. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants high priority with 3 to 6 questions yearly. Human reproduction frequently asked with 3 to 7 questions annually. Reproductive health 1 to 3 questions every year. Principles of inheritance and variation high weightage with 3 to 7 questions per year. Molecular basis of inheritance one of the most significant chapter 4 to 9 questions annually. Evolution moderate weightage 1 to 4 questions per year. Human health and diseases regularly asked with 3 to 6 questions yearly. Strategies for enhancement in food production low frequency 0 to 2 questions annually. Microbes in human welfare low to moderate importance 1 to 3 questions yearly. Biotechnology principles and process consistently 2 to 5 questions per year. Biotechnology and its application 2 to 4 questions annually. Organisms and populations 1 to 4 questions annually. Ecosystem 2 to 3 questions every year. Biodiversity and conservation moderate weightage 2 to 3 questions per year. Environmental issue frequency low to moderate weightage 1 to 3 questions varying trend. If there is anything specific you like me to clarify further, feel free to ask. NEET students, visit my channel playlist. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.